Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. Let's continue our exploration on CDMP, the Certified Data Management Professional exams. The last video, I tried to give you a very good explanation or narration about the types of exam available and the coverage of the exams and the DAMA DMBOK, that is Data Management Body of Knowledge version 2 book, which is the basis for the CDMP examination. Of course, you can always get a copy of this book from Amazon or online portals. So what we understood was the data management fundamental exam, that's where we are focusing on, covers 14 topics. They are 11 knowledge areas plus data management process, ethics, and big data. And we have seen the percentage, the coverage of each topic, the last section. So I'm not going to explain that today. So we are going to see a little more close to the knowledge areas, the 11 knowledge areas. And the further sessions I would like to take one by one. Okay, so today I will be just focusing on the knowledge areas. So what you see on my screen is, it is called a DAMA wheel. You know, every data management professional, the DG, is centered around data governance. And you can see the 10 pillars around the data governance. So during this examination, we will see in detail about data governance, why data governance is important, where data governance is placed in the data management scheme, the high importance of data governance, because all other pillars are managed under the umbrella called data governance. Then we will try to take up each pillar. First of all, we will cover data architecture. You know, in the DAMA, there is a contextual diagram which will give you the definition of each pillar, the goals of each pillar, the activities, the inputs, the deliverables, and also the technical drivers like the inputs, the technology, and so on. So let's look into each of the pillar in the coming session. So remember, data architecture, then second pillar is data modeling and design, then data storage and operations, data security, data integration and interoperability, document content management, reference and master data, data warehousing and business intelligence, and metadata management, data quality. So this is the 11 subject areas. Apart from this, we have 3 more topics. They are data management, ethics, and big data. So if you're planning to do CDMP, these 14 topics are to be learned. Okay. And you know that there is a enhanced version of this DAMA wheel. You know, the focus is data governance, and under that, you can see there is a life cycle management and foundational activities. The life cycle management, you see, first we'll start with the planning and designing. where we do the architecture, modeling, and design. Then we have enable and maintain, big data storage, data warehousing, then do the master data management, data storage and operations, reference data management, and data integration and interoperability. They are coming under enable and maintain. And we have the user enhance, like data science, data visualization, data monetization, then predictive analytics, master data usage, business intelligence, document and content management. They fall under the category of use and enhance. So we have plan and design, enable and maintain, use and enhance. That is a life cycle management. Then coming to the fundamental activities like data protection, that means managing the privacy, security, and risk management. Then we have the metadata management, the data quality management. So basically, they are fundamental activities to make the whole process. And if you look at the side, you can see data governance, data policies, stewardship and ownership. Then there is a cultural change and strategy, principles and ethics, data valuation, data maturity assessment, and data classification. So this is called Dharma wheel. So as I mentioned, our focus will be 11 focus areas plus 3 topics that we will have to cover. Then as I mentioned, you follow a template, a contextual diagram. It gives you the definition of the topic and the goals of the topic, and what are the functions, what are the major functions of that topic. Take the example of data management. Under that, we have data governance, data architecture management, data development, database operations management, data security management, reference and master data management, data warehousing and business intelligence management, then document and content management, metadata management, and data quality management. These are the functions under the data management process. Of course, each of them is a knowledge area which has to be elaborated and learned. And you can see that there will be some participants, inputs, or who will supply this inputs, and the deliverables and the consumers. Also, we will see some tools like data modeling tool, database management systems, data integration and quality tools, and all those tools. So in the coming sessions, we will go and look into each of them, like, the data handling ethics and data architecture and everything. So today, just to give you an outline of what are we going to explore in the part of this CDMP exam. For the specialist exams, you will have to focus on each areas and get certified. Okay, so look out for further videos. So we'll be focusing on the knowledge areas one by one, and later we will try to see how we can frame questions from each focus area. And of course, we'll have to write our exam and get certified. So wish you good luck. See you with another video very soon.